Hello! Teacher Rae here. I'm back to answer another of your Hello Group Class teaching questions! Yay! Most of you are probably familiar with the term student engagement. Well, that's what this episode is about. Making our How GC lessons engaging or fun for our students. Now, fun, in my opinion, does not mean that the learning is lost. It merely means that the learning is acquired in fun ways. This episode's question is how to engage students with fun and balance during class. It's that balance between the fun and the learning that's important. We never want the learning to get lost in the fun, or the fun to get lost in the learning. The best way to accomplish this balance is to take care that the fun is directly related to the learning. And okay, Teacher Rae, but how do we do that? One way is to use games that incorporate the lesson objectives. In other words, instead of playing a basic game of tic-tac-toe, students earn the space by making sentences with the lesson vocabulary. Oh! Here's an example from a seminar I conducted somewhat recently called Using Creativity to Enhance the Student Experience. Okay, what word would you like?
Rich.
All right, one sentence, please.
I want to be rich. 8.
Well done. Nice job. Next.
Lucky.
Okay, your sentence.
My friend is lucky. 1.
Oh, dang.
Oh, yeah. Yay!
Okay, whose turn is it? Which word?
Hero.
Hero. Okay. Hero. What is a hero? What is a hero?
Someone that helps somebody.
Well done. Okay. What do you want?
Rich.
Okay, there we go.
Rich.
Ta-da! Next turn. That same seminar features several ways teachers can add more fun to their How GC lessons. Oh, to watch the seminar recording, refer to your How Facebook group. Another way to relate the fun to the learning in order to maintain a good balance between the two is to take advantage of the activities provided in the lessons. You know, all of those games. Act excited. Cheer for the winner. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Commiserate with the student that got second place again. Oh no. So close. You were so close. Oh, please be careful here not to point out any one student's mistakes. We don't want anyone to be embarrassed. Okay. I say things like, wow, you're fast today, John. Or, Sonny, you have the fastest finger in China. Click, Sonny. Click, Sonny. Click, Sonny. If there are mistakes, I either let the activity provide the correction or do something as a group to demonstrate the correct answers. The idea is to keep these activities fun while still retaining the learning. We can conduct other aspects of our lessons in fun ways too. Take practicing pronunciation. Bottle. Yeah, anyone would get bored with basic repetitions, lesson after lesson after lesson. Believe it or not, this can be made fun. Bottle, 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 bottle. Come on, everybody. Bottle, 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 bottle. Bottle! Bottle!
Bottle, bottle, bottle.
Bottle, bottle, bottle. Bottle, 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 I can't hear you. Bottle, 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 yay! Or how about having the students practice in a sort of echo train where the students say the vocabulary one after the other? Okay, I mean the students, not the vocabulary. So you put student A, B, C, D up in a row, and then student A says the word, student B says the word, student C, student D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, trying to get them to cycle through the students and have them do it several times in a row. Kind of like a row your boat, where different students sing at a different time. I don't know. Might try it. Try the train again. Okay. So it goes bottle, bottle, bottle.
Bottle, bottle, bottle.
Bottle, bottle, bottle.
Need more ideas? Ask your students. Your students are a great source of inspiration. I get some of my best ideas from my students, like
Reading in funny voices.
singing the reading rolls. Backwards reading. Reading backwards. Timmy am I. I am Timmy. Reading fast. Or reading slow. Changing out the character names for their classmates or the teacher. Other teachers are also great resources. In fact, there's a Howell Homeroom blog article submitted by a fellow teacher, Mary C., titled How to Use Edutainment in Your Howell Lessons. That article has some great ideas. Use the link below this video to check it out. While you're there, look through all of the other great articles about student engagement. Of course, the idea of what's fun will change. It's not the same every time. It will change quite a bit from cohort to cohort and level to level. I mean, most level 5 students will probably rebel against shouting out the vocabulary or singing during role play. Or, well, maybe not. Worth a shot. Anyway, sometimes fun just means interesting or engaging, right? This brand of fun can be obtained through personalization. The more relevant the lesson is to the students themselves, the more interesting it will seem, and thereby more fun. I could go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Sorry, and on with this topic. But right now, it's time for wrap up. To summarize, maintaining a balance between fun and learning really just means ensuring that the fun is based on the learning. As Howell GC teachers, our students' learning is of the utmost importance, as is their enjoyment of that learning. That makes the topic of balancing fun with learning relevant to all of us. So I want to thank this teacher for submitting this valuable question. Thank you. Do you have a Howell GC teaching question? Click on the survey link below this video to ask Teacher Rae. See you next time. Goodbye. Pod, 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 pod. Pod, 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 pod. Pod, pod, pod.
我感觉这个音有用。哎
No!
No！ 看来我一跳就有用。
One sentence.
It's one.
Oh, big star.
Oh.
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 Oh. Oh.
You sound like ghosts. Oh, wow. I like this shopping mall. Woo. Wow. Shopping mall, shopping mall, shopping mall.
Shopping mall.
Excellent. The sentence, please.
There are many stores in shopping mall.
Fantastic. Okay, now I have a question for you. Where do you like to go in the shopping mall?